Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Wednesday 22 November 2023, I have a few potential trade setups to discuss where I will try to get long on the pound, the Aussie and the Euro. And I would like to be short on the CAD, the US dollar and the Yen. First pick of the day is a potential long on the pound CAD, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The pound CAD, for the last 3 days already, it's one of my trades that I want to do. Is the pound up there, the CAD down there, it just doesn't retrace far enough. But I do like it a lot. We've got this lateral support plus this falling trend line structure coming in there, right at the 61% Fibonacci, the 50 to 61. So when it gets down there, I'll look for some pattern reversals on the long side. New Zealand US, we got the long down here, and we've hit our first target up there, missed our second target yesterday with 10 pips. Coming down, I was worried. I said to some of my mentorship program clients that I don't like that shadows up there, But as a real short-term trader, I would have exited based on that shadow traded, but I'm after the bigger trades here, so I allowed it to go. We got a T1 in the bank, and that's the nice part about setting a T1. That was roughly a 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2 risk reward, and so that's banked, and the stop loss is in the money. We went long down here, so in the money on the stop, and money in the bank on this one. So it's not the end of the world if you do come back. I see the support level coming in here again for today. You can see the Fibonacci swing from up there down there, and almost testing it, but we've got this double, that level plus that level, the resistance and the support as a wall between us and the stop loss and the price. So if I get another turn here today, I'll look at going long on pattern reversals. New Zealand, US, still fine with that. This could just be a healthy retracement. Not sure. If I was sure, I would trade differently. But when it gets there, I will see how the market responds, and then I'll look for some longs from there. But other than that, my open trade stop loss is still down here. You can see it on the live stream every day. Then the US Swiss, unfortunately, we got the short, we got the 1 hour retest there, the bearish engulfing. We trailed the stop loss last night, and now got stopped out. Right, so we're out of this trade, and it's not a big loss. We took half a position size due to reasons I've explained previously, and we trailed the stop loss with about half, I think 50% of that already, and but we got stopped out now. So I'm still interested in this area here. I'm still interested in this area. You can see here support. It's the 50%. So I'll see how it respond here now for another short down the page, because we got the US and the Swiss up there. So I'm still the favorite for me to short is the dollar. This could just be profit taking, or this could be a trend reversal on the dollar. We never know. So that's why we watch this area to see how the market responds when it gets to that area. Maybe this is a better retest before it sell off, or maybe it will just cut through and keep running. But I'll use the candle patterns on the 1 hours or the 4 hour charts to get me into these trades. In the Euro CAD, Euro still strong, CAD still weak. I've identified this previously for you on this swing, 61% Fibonacci. I'm still very keen on taking longs here on bullish pattern reversals. In the Euro US, coming down, testing the level now I've identified here. You can see resistance. Now, earlier this morning, it gave a 1 hour hammer candle there. That was good. I'm just not keen on that early morning trades. But nonetheless, if you took that, you were fine, and it failed. Right, as simple as that. It's just a very early morning. Most of the morning trades. It seldom happens that we do get morning trades this time of the morning. Sometimes they work, sometimes they fail. I'm very busy in the mornings, so personally I don't like taking too many trades early morning. But nonetheless, if you took the 1 hour, it failed. If you didn't, then no harm done. It's busy testing. We will see Euro US what happens now on the 1 hours and the 4 hours. Busy testing this, and I will look for bullish reversals. Aussie US also retracing. Aussie very strong, dollar very weak still. So I'll see what happens on this Fibonacci swing there, the 61% level. This is the place where I'm interested in taking some longs on bullish pattern reversals. Then the pound US also, pound very strong on the medium term, and the dollar very weak. should be the favorite one to be long for today, but there's quite a sell-off. I can see there is some movement on the dollar this morning. I will just see how long it will last, or is it just for the morning session, and then it might just continue its normal trend in the afternoon. I don't know, but when it gets there, I'll see how the market responds. Aussie CAD, also Aussie CAD. I'm looking for longs at the 61% Fibonacci of this last swing, and that's area right at this market structure here. I'll look for some longs on bounces here. Then the New Zealand CAD, busy testing the level I'm interested in. New Zealand losing steam, but CAD still weaker. So let's see if it turns here. We see renewed strength in the New Zealand. I hope so for our open New Zealand US trade. Other than that, well, then we will not trade this, but we will see here what happens now later today on the bounces here, and if we can trade that. Just don't overexpose yourselves, because we are going to have quite a few trades today, it seems. Do not overexpose yourself. Then the euro yen, nice flag pattern, strong run, flag pattern, euro there, yen there, all strong. I'm waiting for the break, the retest, and then a 1 hour and 4 hour reversal here. Trend still up, so let's hope for the best there. In the US yen, testing the level now, draw the Fibonacci in there at this structure here, there, that support. I like that one more because this is a support and a resistance. It was confirmed from both sides. This was just from one side. So we'll see now how it responds there. It's testing. Any reversals from here, I can consider shorts, providing the dollar stays much weaker than the yen. Then the pound, yen, pound up there, yen down there. I'm waiting for a retest. I get the feeling it's not going to happen this morning, but maybe tonight or tomorrow. But nice flag pattern, consolidation, the break. There was a retest last night there, actually early this morning. It retraced there. But you know, that time of the morning you can't take the trades. So I'll wait for a retest, see what happens. But at this stage, pound yen definitely on my watch list for today for some longs. Nasdaq, as the dollar is very bearish, that's stock market bullish. We're busy testing. I drew the Fibonacci in on this last swing. You see the Fibonacci 61% right here at this levels here. That's market structure. That's market structure. It's being tested now there yesterday, but couldn't get an entry, the same as we did look at it yesterday on the S&P 500. Now this one is testing also interested, but I need some form of a bullish pattern reversal here before I'll get something. On the 1 hours, still don't see anything. It's actually not doing much, but on the tests here, I'll see how the market responds on the second test since yesterday. Then the CAD Swiss, swing down the page, support, resistance, right at 61% of this last swing here. So I will look what happens with the CAD here when the market retests. If I can get some candle reversals or top pattern reversals here, I'll be interested. You can see there, CAD, Swiss, all good for some shorts. Then my favorite setup for today is still the S&P 500, along on that. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you're new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Need that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. The S&P 500 still this flat top triangle. It broke in a good fashion. It retested. You can see the long lower shadows here. Market definitely finding support here. On a weak dollar, I'm still interested. But yesterday, I could not get a 1 hour entry. There was no reversals. So I'm still waiting for a 1 hour or a 4 hour reversal on the rising trend line at the old resistance becoming support level. Weak dollar, which is definitely stock market bullish. So I'm waiting in anticipation and patiently for a long setup here. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.